8 weeks into this reset, and I want to be really honest with you how the past week has gone. Hasn't been perfect, hasn't been linear, hasn't been a shiny transformational week. It's been real life, big energy dips, big hormonal mood swings, and a few complete derailments, but some amazing realizations too. And here's the thing, I'm still here, I'm still learning, I'm still growing, and that's a massive win in itself. So let's start with the good stuff because there is some of it. 93% of the past 8 weeks, my energy has been so much more stable than when I began. I'm generally sleeping deeper most nights. Overall, my digestion's calmer. I've been feeling clear headed, confidence that comes when your blood sugar is stable and balanced. I've lost inches around my waist, my skin's brighter, my nails are stronger, my blood pressure's coming down steadily, and I've been moving most days. And not because I have to, but because I've wanted to. And the biggest change, I guess, has been mindset and self awareness. 8 weeks ago, I was trying to fix myself in my perimenopause. Now I'm learning to support myself, my body, and my mind. And there's a huge difference between punishment and partnership with your body. And now for the real talk. This week I had not one, not two, but three really high carb, high sugar, processed food overload days. I'm talking all the bad foods: breads, pizza, pasta, crisps, chips, sweets, the whole bad comfort buffet plus more. And after one of the binges, I fell asleep on the sofa for 20 minutes, which is just classic blood sugar crash. Weighed myself the next morning and the scale had gone up 6 pounds. 6 pounds! And I hadn't even eaten for 14 hours. I'd been fasting. If that was the old me, I'd have panicked. Actually, I'd have spiraled. I maybe would have quit keto and intermittent fasting altogether. But new me took a breath, said, okay, it's only a few days, and this is just data. Because that scale jump wasn't fat. It was water, it was hormones, it was inflammation, and it was glycogen. And my body was doing exactly what bodies do after a carb surge, more so given my age range. Also realised I'd been low on, prior to that, first night's sleep. I've been in day two of my cycle, so my hormones were flatlining, my serotonin was low, and my brain went looking for a quick hit in my mind for some comfort. And it wasn't weakness, it was just biology. And honestly, I'm proud of how quickly I recognised it, leant into it, gave myself a reality check on the evening of day three, and just enabled gently my mind and my body to come back from it. So on the morning of day four, focused on hydration, water, and even more water, herbal teas, ate really nutrient dense food, eggs, cheese, greens, healthy fats. I had avocado on keto toast, yum yum. Moved, nothing crazy, just went out a gentle walk in the afternoon, a little bit of rebounding, game of 10-pin bowling with the family. And I know that in 2 days' time, the bloating will have gone, the scales have gone down, my head will feel clear again, and I'll be back in ketosis. And that was my reminder that consistency beats perfection every single time. 7% slip, 93% on point for the past 55 days. I'll take that win. And the win wasn't in avoiding the binge, it was just how I noticed and brought myself back from it. What was an absolute eye opener was how much my mind dipped. I wouldn't want anyone to have been inside my head. It was so negative. It was beyond self limiting, constant chatter. But there was also a voice getting louder and louder saying, this is mostly bad food talking. I've made another video, but I haven't posted it yet, that introduces the concept of metabolic psychiatry. If you want to see that, pop a comment below and I'll post it, definitely. And as a former mental health nurse, this psychiatric focus centres around the impact of diet on mood disorders, and I'm finding it so logical, insightful, and helpful. And that's definitely something I'll be looking into more in the near future. What we eat really does have such a positive and negative impact on both our bodies and mind. I've definitely lived that from a negative perspective over the past 3 bad food days, coming out the other side and feeling a big relief. So here's what the last 8 weeks have taught me overall. Cycle matters, my cycle, your cycle. Tracking it helps to predict when you've got the low mood, the high craving days, the good spells. Sleep's a non-negotiable. It's where your discipline actually can begin. And carbs aren't evil, they're just a signal. When I crave them, I know I need rest, I need comfort or serotonin. I don't need to give myself punishment. And I've learned that health isn't about control, it's about understanding patterns and responding to your body and your mind with kindness. So, yes, there have been slips, there's been setbacks, there's been sugar crashes, but there's also been strength, progress, and so much more self awareness gained along the way. If you're on your own reset journey, remember this: you don't have to be perfect to be improving. Every wobble teaches you something your next perfect day never could. I'm 8 weeks in, I'm still learning, still human, still moving forward. And honestly, that's exactly what my shelf is all about. If you found this honest talk helpful, hit subscribe, and there's many, many more of these videos to come. You got this. We got this.